All right. With a lot of luck, the spring is set. Ta-da! I popped the head off again and tried it away from the camera. Apparently watching through the camera impairs my ability. Sorry about that. Good tight head now. Good Spider-Man dispenser. But here, let's talk about Spider-Man. Or Spider-Man. Here are the differences in the Spider-Man. All right. I have 3 variations here. The smooth head with pupils. It is on the 3/4 IMC Hong Kong. Pretty sure all Spider-Man no feet made in Hong Kong. See the 7 there? Now, here is one with pupils, but the webbing. Again, IMC 7. And when you look down here, it will say 3.4, made in Hong Kong. Last but not least, no pupils. See the comparison? And this one here, also IMC 7, the little 7. And here you see 3.9 made in Hong Kong. So those are your 3 different ones. Now remember, the ones with the pupils aren't necessarily always the smooth head. But the ones with the smooth head always have the ones with the pupils. And a metal head spring. And found in Hong Kong. And they're also on a yellow stem. This is the red stem variation, though, which I think is a little bit harder to find. But what do I know? I don't know anything. I'm not an expert. Just some guy teaching you about PEZ. Now then. So until next time, yeah. Smooth.